Hi, good morning. I got a question from a student about this question. There's already videos about a similar question, but hey, why not? Got all this technology, do another video. Let's go. Okay, so this is a formative question. So if you run into this question, free points. You get free points for just watching this video. Okay, so let's take a look at what's the questions being asked. It says A is zero point 0.3. So I like to take that information and put it outside here to remind myself that that's everything that's in the circle, right? It's not just this part, it's not just this part, it's both of them added together. So unless we get some more information, we're not sure what M or N is yet. All right, let's look at the next piece of information. It says A union B is 0.6. Well, that's everything that's in here. All three parts of this add up to 0.6. So we could make some assumptions here, but I like to look at the intersection first. So the intersection of A and B is 0.2. The intersection is this little spot in the middle, right? Okay, so if this is 0.2, and we know that both of these have to add up to 0.3, then we can subtract 0.3 minus 0.2 and get 0.1 for M. Okay, and then we could have done it before, but looking at this now, I think it's easier to do it logically. We know that 0.1 and 0.2 and whatever this is has to add up to 0.6. And so this must be 0.3, right? 0.1 and 0.2 is 0.3, and then you have to add 0.3 to get 0.6. Now, the only thing that's missing is Q, and that's that outside spot, right? So we know everything in the whole picture has to add up to 1 or 100%. And so if everything that's inside A and B, A union B is 0.6, then to get to 1 or 100%, we have to do 0.4 outside, okay? So this student who emailed me this screenshot, which great idea. If you ever want to email me a screenshot of what you're working on, please, please, please do. It really helps me understand your thinking. This person put 0.1 here. I'm not sure exactly how that came about, but it looks like maybe the misunderstanding was that you have to subtract from 1 to get the stuff that's not in A and B. This symbol with the union means everything that's inside. And so if you ever know what's inside, you can just subtract from 100% or from your total, right? Some of these problems have like 36 students in a class, and then you would subtract from that total to get your answer. I hope this has been helpful, and keep the questions coming. I love it.